Your skin isn't simply losing its youthful firmness to gravity and time, it's revealing the precise rate at which your cells are failing to recycle their own damaged components, a direct reflection of your internal biological efficiency. This silent, microscopic battle, waged within every single cell, dictates the deepness of your wrinkles and the overall structural integrity of your entire body, not just your face. You are about to discover the hidden instruction manual for your own cellular renewal, a biological blueprint that truly explains why some individuals seem to effortlessly maintain their vibrant appearance long into life. In this exploration, we will dissect two profound longevity processes operating deep within your cells: the meticulous cellular cleanup crew known as autophagy, and the protective caps safeguarding your genetic code, your telomeres. Understanding these fundamental mechanisms isn't just about superficial beauty, it's about grasping the core machinery that governs how gracefully and how healthily your entire body navigates the passage of time. Have you ever looked closely at someone who genuinely seems to defy their chronological age? Not just with smooth skin, but with a palpable vibrancy that radiates from within. It's rarely about expensive creams alone. The real secret lies in the ceaseless, internal maintenance work performed by their cells, particularly a fascinating process called autophagy. Imagine your body's cells as bustling microcities, constantly producing proteins, fats, and other components vital for function. Just like any busy city, there's always waste, worn-out structures, and even damaged organelles that need to be removed. If this cleanup doesn't happen efficiently, the debris starts to pile up. For your skin cells, this accumulation of old, misfolded, or dysfunctional proteins directly impacts its elasticity and resilience. Think of a meticulously managed building versus one where broken furniture and dusty equipment are left to accumulate in every hallway and room. The well-managed building maintains its structure, its aesthetic, and its functionality. The other quickly shows its age, becoming stiff and brittle. Autophagy is your cell's internal sanitation and recycling service, identifying these damaged components, enclosing them, and breaking them down into their basic building blocks to be reused. It's a brilliant, economical system, ensuring your cellular machinery is always running on fresh, high-quality parts. When this system slows down, as it naturally tends to with age, those old, cross-linked proteins, like stiff, brittle fibers, begin to accumulate in the dermal layers. This biological slowdown leads directly to the visible signs we associate with aging: the loss of elasticity, the formation of deep wrinkles, and the overall weakening of the skin's architecture. Pioneering research by Mizushima and colleagues in 2008 extensively demonstrated how this crucial cellular self-eating process maintains cellular quality control and is indispensable for tissue homeostasis, essentially keeping everything balanced and robust. Without efficient autophagy, your skin's scaffolding, its collagen and elastin networks, loses its integrity. It's like the support beams in a house slowly rotting away unnoticed, until one day the ceiling starts to sag. But the story of youthful appearance and sustained internal vigor goes even deeper, reaching into the very core of your genetic identity. This is where the profound implications of telomeres enter the picture. What if that subtle dullness in your skin, or the feeling that your internal systems just aren't as robust, isn't simply getting old, but a silent alarm bell from the protective caps on your DNA, slowly eroding away? Imagine your chromosomes, the long strands of DNA that carry all your genetic information, as shoelaces. Now picture the small plastic tips on the ends of those shoelaces. These tips, your telomeres, are absolutely critical. They don't carry genetic information themselves, but they protect the vital genes from being damaged or lost during cell division. Every time one of your cells divides, to replace old skin cells, to repair muscle tissue, to renew blood cells, these telomeres shorten a tiny bit. It's a natural part of life. However, when telomeres become too short, the cell can no longer divide safely. it either enters a state of senescence, becoming a zombie cell that secretes inflammatory molecules and actively harms its neighbors, or it undergoes programmed cell death. The remarkable revelation here is that telomere shortening isn't just an abstract biological concept, it's a direct, measurable predictor of your biological age, impacting everything from the resilience of your skin to the functionality of your most vital organs. Before understanding telomeres, you might attribute a loss of youthful glow or the slow decline in organ function to an inevitable fate. But now you see it as a reflection of these microscopic protectors on your DNA. When telomeres are well maintained, your cells can continue to divide healthily, replenishing tissues, repairing damage, and maintaining the vibrant, supple structure of your skin. This means fewer senescent cells clogging up your tissues, less chronic inflammation, and a sustained capacity for repair. But when telomeres shorten prematurely, your body rapidly accumulates these dysfunctional cells, accelerating the visible signs of aging and significantly increasing the risk of age-related diseases. This isn't just about wrinkles on your face, it's about the very foundational integrity of your entire biological system, from the strength of your heart muscle to the clarity of your cognitive function. The profound scientific contributions of Blackburn, Grider, and Sostak, culminating in their Nobel Prize in 2009, fundamentally changed our understanding of how telomeres protect chromosomes and their critical influence on cellular aging and disease processes. Understanding this empowers you to see your outward appearance not as a static outcome, but as a dynamic report card from the inner workings of your DNA. A report card you absolutely have the capacity to influence. So, how do you actively engage with these powerful cellular mechanisms to support your longevity and maintain a more youthful vitality? The good news is, you possess genuine agency in this process, and science offers clear, actionable strategies. First, to specifically boost that vital autophagy process, your cell's internal recycling program, consider incorporating intermittent fasting or time-restricted eating into your lifestyle. When you provide your body with a consistent period of time each day without food intake, typically 12 to 16 hours, you shift your cellular metabolism. During this fasting window, your cells activate autophagy pathways, literally initiating a deep clean. This isn't about deprivation. It's about signaling your cells to move from a growth and accumulation state to a repair and renewal state. Studies have shown that even moderate fasting periods can significantly enhance cellular debris removal, which directly contributes to healthier skin and overall organ function, as cells are more efficient and less burdened by waste. Second, for protecting those critical telomeres, focus on a targeted nutritional strategy rich in specific micronutrients. One crucial player is vitamin D. Optimal levels of vitamin D have been repeatedly linked to longer telomeres and reduced cellular aging markers. It plays a key role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which accelerate telomere shortening. Supplementation, guided by blood tests or increased sun exposure within safe limits, can make a substantial difference. Additionally, certain omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon, and potent antioxidant compounds like resveratrol from red grapes have also been shown to help preserve telomere length and mitigate the cellular damage that hastens their erosion. These nutrients act as microscopic shields, protecting your DNA from the daily assault of free radicals and inflammatory signals. Third, and often overlooked, is the profound impact of stress management and quality sleep on both autophagy and telomere integrity. Chronic psychological stress elevates cortisol levels, leading to increased oxidative stress and inflammation throughout your body, which are direct accelerators of telomere shortening. Practicing mindfulness, engaging in regular, moderate exercise, or incorporating relaxation techniques like deep breathing can significantly mitigate these harmful effects. Furthermore, consistent, high-quality sleep is non-negotiable. During deep sleep cycles, your body performs essential repair and regeneration tasks, including the natural processes that support telomere maintenance and optimize cellular autophagy. Skimping on sleep is akin to running a demanding factory non-stop without ever allowing for crucial maintenance downtime. Over time, the machinery inevitably breaks down, and your cells visibly reflect that exhaustion. You are not merely an observer in the story of your own aging. You are the protagonist, now equipped with the knowledge of your body's most intricate and influential cellular processes. The reflection gazing back at you is no longer a fixed, predetermined image, but a dynamic, ever-changing portrait sculpted by the very processes you've just learned to influence. You now understand that the resilience of your skin, the vitality of your organs, and the energy you feel are not solely dictated by the calendar, but by the health of your cellular sanitation crews and the integrity of your genetic protectors. You possess an inner cellular symphony, and you now have the power to help conduct it, guiding your body towards a trajectory of sustained health and youthful function. Embrace this newfound understanding of your own biological clock. This remarkable journey into decoding the true science of aging has only just begun. There are even more profound revelations awaiting us, deeper secrets within your biology that, once understood, will transform how you perceive your potential for a longer, stronger, and more vibrant life. The next chapter holds equally fascinating discoveries.